So, Michael, again, thank you very much for an excellent talk. Great overview of 6G. In this 1-minute video blog, what do you think are really the key challenges for research for 6G? What are the key drivers and the key directions that we need to look at for developing 6G now?
Well, I think in a very short nutshell, I think there's three key items that we really need to look at, apart from the growth of data traffic and the use cases that will happen anyway. I think number one, we think we're going to hit a wall when it comes to using pure CMOS for the transceiver. So the transceiver is going to be a challenge, especially if you think about new glasses, different devices, different form factors. Number two, and probably this will be touched on during the conference as well, is everything which is trust and privacy in next generation networks. For sure, this will have a lot more impact and focus than we had in the previous networks, considering the growth also of machine learning, AI, who owns the data, where will it be transmitted? The current geopolitical climate is definitely a driver there as well. And number three, from a sustainability perspective, although in the transition from 4 to 5G, we already saw a focus on energy efficiency, I think it's clear to say that right now in the 5G deployments, that energy efficiency is not very much highlighted yet. Also because most of the 5G use cases are high bandwidth, high energy consuming use cases, of course, the same ones that we have: video streaming, gaming, and so on. So I think energy efficiency going to 6G, if we do another factor of 10 improvement in bandwidth at the same energy efficiency, and you add virtualization, such as my colleague Gerhard Vetweiss said at the Connect workshop yesterday, for sure, we need a different way to think about how we're going to build devices and networks. So for me, those are the three big challenges for 6G.
Okay, I took notes of that. I'll start working next week. This week I have the conference.
we still have openings in the team, right? You're welcome to come to Belgium.
Well, it's too rainy in Belgium.
Yeah, well.
Michael, thank you very much for an excellent talk again and for this great overview of the challenges for 6G. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you.
My pleasure.